The terror of Loch Morrigan. Nestled in the heart of the Scottish Highlands, the small village of Inverlock was known for its serene beauty and lush landscapes. The villagers lived in harmony with nature, their lives intertwined with the mysterious waters of Loch Morrigan. The loch, a vast expanse of deep, dark water, was the source of their livelihood and the heart of their community. But it harbored a secret that would soon cast a long, chilling shadow over the village. For generations, tales of a beast lurking beneath the surface of Loch Morrigan were whispered among the villagers. They spoke of a creature as old as time itself, a serpent that slumbered in the depths, only to awaken once every 100 years. It was said that the beast's awakening was heralded by strange occurrences: fishermen's nets returning empty, eerie wails echoing through the night, and a thick fog that clung to the village like a shroud. As the centennial anniversary of the beast's last sighting approached, the villagers became uneasy. Livelihoods were disrupted as fishing yields dwindled, and a palpable tension settled over Inverlock. The elders, keepers of the village's history, warned of the impending danger, urging caution and preparedness. One fateful night, the loch was engulfed in an unnatural silence. The villagers, gripped by a sense of foreboding, gathered in the town square. Suddenly, a tremendous roar shattered the stillness, and the surface of the loch erupted in a violent maelstrom. The beast had awakened. With scales as black as midnight and eyes that glowed with an otherworldly luminescence, the creature rose from the depths. It towered over the village, its serpentine body twisting through the water with terrifying grace. Panic spread like wildfire as the villagers realized the horror they faced. Determined to protect their home, the villagers rallied together under the leadership of Ewan McGregor, a young but courageous fisherman. Armed with harpoons, nets, and sheer determination, they devised a plan to drive the creature back into the loch. Under the cover of darkness, they set out on rickety boats, their hearts pounding with fear and resolve. The creature, sensing their approach, lashed out with fury, its tail creating waves that threatened to capsize their vessels. But the villagers pressed on, launching their harpoons with precision and entangling the beast in a web of nets. The battle raged through the night, a desperate struggle between man and monster. The creature's roars echoed through the mountains, and the loch churned with a terrible ferocity. Just as dawn broke, Ewan, with a final surge of strength, struck the beast with a harpoon tipped with a rare silver, believed to be the creature's only weakness. With a mournful wail, the beast sank back into the depths, defeated. Though the creature was vanquished, the victory came at a great cost. Many brave souls were lost to the loch that night, their absence felt deeply by the grieving village. Homes lay in ruins, and the once bountiful waters of Loch Morrigan were eerily still. Inverloch mourned its losses, but as the days turned to weeks, the village began to rebuild. The fog lifted, and the loch returned to its serene beauty, though a solemn reminder of the night remained in the hearts of its people. The legend of the great serpent of Loch Morrigan would live on, a story of courage, sacrifice, and the unyielding spirit of a village united against the darkness. Once a serene and bustling community, the sea village of Destroyed found itself irrevocably changed after the fierce battle with the mythical creature, Loch Morrigan. The village, nestled along the rugged coastline, had thrived on fishing and trade, drawing visitors with its picturesque charm. However, the tranquility was shattered when the legendary beast emerged from the depths, drawn by the village's prosperity and abundance. The clash between the villagers and Loch Morrigan was fierce and devastating. Homes were reduced to rubble, with fishing boats splintered and scattered along the shoreline. The once vibrant marketplace, a symbol of the village's thriving economy, lay in ruins, its stalls overturned and goods lost to the sea. Eerie echoes of the battle lingered in the air, a haunting reminder of the chaos that ensued. The emotional toll on the villagers was profound. Families mourned the loss of loved ones who bravely fought to defend their home. The community, once tightly knit, faced the challenge of rebuilding not just their physical surroundings, but also their sense of unity and trust. Stories of heroism and sacrifice were shared, binding the survivors together in a collective memory of resilience and hope. Despite the destruction, the spirit of destroyed's residents remained unyielding. Efforts to rebuild were met with determination as villagers worked tirelessly to restore their homes and livelihoods.